Hello friends, it's me again. This is working through the Chapter 6 Triad number 4. Here we're working on identifying key signatures. So the first thing you want to do is where it says your name here, is type your name. So there I have it. Now the only thing we have to do here is just name the key signatures. For example, the first one is done for us. We have 5 sharps, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And if we use that method that I talked about in the introduction video, we'll look at the last sharp, F, C, G, D, A. Remember the order of the sharps. A is the last sharp, and you go a half step above A, and that gives you B. So B is your key signature. Now here on example B, we have flats. And we used a different method for determining the key signature with flats. Here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 flats. Remember, you want to look at the next to the last flat. G flat is the last flat, B flat, E flat, A flat, D flat, G flat. So D flat is the next to the last flat. I'll stop. All right, so we click on our blank here, and we name this key signature D flat. All right, looking at C, we have 4 flats, B flat, E flat, A flat, D flat. We're going to use the method of finding the next to the last flat. E flat was the last one. So the one next to it is that A flat there. So our key signature is A flat major. Here we have 2 sharps, F sharp and C sharp in bass clef. So go back to our sharps method. We look at the last sharp, C sharp, and go a half step above it, and that gives us the key signature of D major. The last one here on this line, we have 3 sharps, F sharp, C sharp, G sharp. G sharp is the last sharp. We go a half step above that, which gives us A. So our key signature is A. Scroll on down here. We go to example F. Find that we have 2 flats, B flat and E flat. B flat is the next to the last flat. So our key signature is not B, is B flat. There we go. And here we got a lot of sharps. That's a lot of sharps. So we look at our sharps. We have F sharp, C sharp, G sharp, D sharp, A sharp, and E sharp. Whew. So E sharp is the same thing as F natural. So if you go a half step above E sharp, that's going to give you the key signature of F sharp major. How about that? All right. Example H, we have 4 sharps, F sharp, C sharp, G sharp, D sharp. Notice I'm going from left to right, up and down, just like you would read a book, left to right, up and down. D sharp is the last sharp, so half step above that is E, and the key signature of E major. Example I, we have 6 flats, B flat, E flat, A flat, D flat, G flat, C flat. We'll look at the next to the last flat, which was G flat. So that is our key, G flat major. All right, and then our last one is just one you kind of have to memorize. You've got 1 flat in the key signature. That is the key signature for F major. F major. You can think of, you fall down in B flat, F major. And that's all there is to this one. So make sure your name is on that, and then click the Submit Score button. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. I hope you enjoyed this installment of Major Key Signatures. Ask me if you have questions. I should stop saying that. Ask me if you have questions. All right. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen.